to my images with Photoshop and Lightroom. So right now I want to show you how I take this image that was cropping out the doorway here, and I want to show the full doorway using Photoshop because Lightroom can't do this test. So I've already finished all my editing I want to do in Lightroom Classic. So just go ahead and right click on the image in your, I think this is called a timeline in Lightroom. Once you finish editing it, and we're going to go ahead and edit in Photoshop. Show you what I do to enhance this image to show more of the doorway, to frame her in this image. So I'm going to right click on the layer here, and we're going to create a duplicate layer, or Control J. I'm going to turn off the eye on the background layer, the first initial one with the lock sign on it. Next thing I'm going to do is transform it. So I'm going to Control T on my keyboard and just move a corner down. Okay, however you wish to show more of the scene, and keep the original resolution canvas size from the original image. We're just making this smaller because if we stretch out this image by adding more to it, I feel like you're going to lose quality that way of the print. So instead I'm going to make this smaller, still keeping the quality. Alright, so next step is to marquee tool, and I'm going to highlight one side here, click generative fill, and AI is so smart, it should create the side of this door frame. Good, let me see my other options. Okay, that's even better. That's what I was looking for. So we're going to do the next side. Generative fill, let it do its thing. Not. Okay, that's good job. Let's see what else you got. Yeah, I like this one the best. All right, so now it hopefully makes like a triangular top here. Generative till and generate. Beautiful. Here are my options though, so you can see. Ooh, I like this with the beams up top. Keep the beams. Alright, and when you're done, when you like what you see, you're going to go to File, Save, and when you save it in Photoshop while Lightroom is still open, it's going to import a copy, and you keep the original as well if you want to share with your couple when you send the wedding photo of this new Photoshop version. So here's the original, and here's the Photoshop. Hopefully this helped you with enhancing your wedding photos and getting more creative. Best of luck.